Hi folks, today we're going to show you 20 of the most amazing Mac operating system keyboard shortcuts. I personally use the keyboard shortcuts a lot to make my life easier, and I have to let you know, between the Windows and Mac we do have a lots of common shortcuts. Just in Windows we're using Control button, and in Mac we're using Command button instead. So for example, if you want to copy a file or folder, you're using Control C in Windows, and in Mac we're using Command C. Or if you want to paste, Control V in Windows, and in Mac we're using Command V instead. Lots of people, they asking me how to open up library or download folder in the Finder. So simply, if you go to the Go and press and hold down Option button, library, it will be showing up here. And if you click in your desktop and hold down Option, Command and L, so it will open up download folder for you. A great keyboard shortcut in Mac is pressing and holding down Control Shift Tab in your Google Chrome or Safari browser to jump or switch between your tabs. And it's very useful. If you want to delete a folder, I'm just going to create a folder. So if you hold Command and delete, so it will delete the folder for you. If you have the hidden file in your computer, simply with holding down Shift, Command and dot, you are able to unhide them. So if you want to take the screenshot of your screen, of your entire screen, all you need to do, just hold Command, Shift and number 3, and it will take the full screenshot of your entire screen. If you want to do the screenshot from the selected area, you can do Shift, Command and number 4, and you can select an area in your screen and it will taking a screenshot from the selected area. And if you want to take the screenshot from the selected area and in the same time copy that file, you can hold down Command, Control, Shift and number 4. Take the screenshot, and in the same time that the screenshot has been copied, I go here and press Command V, so you can see it's already been in the clipboard and I could paste it. For recording and capturing the whole screen or selected area in the screen, all you need to do, just press and hold Shift, Command and number 5, and it will give you an option to select area and record or capture. Next one, it will be next one we're going to show you, it will be Command and up and down arrows, which it will moves between the folders, so it goes back and forward into the folders. So say for example, I'm just going to make another folder over here, and if I go here, if I hold down Command and up arrow, it will go back to the root. So it will go all the way back to the library and user folders. Next thing, it will be Control, Command and eject, which quitting all the apps open in your computer, and it will restart your computer. So same thing, like if you just add option, so it will be Control, Option, Command and eject, it will quit all the apps and shutting off your computer entirely. For next one, I'm just going to jump to this folder to show you if I want to use the group or stack to make everything clean and tidy in my folder, all I need to do, I just press Command, Option and number 1, or Command, Control and number 1 for the groups. So it will be Command, Control, number 1, and it will be using the group. So if I untick this, to make the new folder in the Finder, you can hold down Shift, Command and N, and it will make the new folder for you, and you can name it whatever you want. Next thing, it will be searching and jumping between the most recent opened app, and if you hold down Command and press Tab, you can see all the apps up and running. And simply, if I go to one of them and press Command and Q, it will close down the app for me. So the next thing, it will be Control, Command and Q. It will immediately lock your screen down, and without your password or Touch ID, it won't open your computer for anyone. So I've been asked for the shortcut for iCloud, so you can simply hold down Shift, Command and I for iCloud, and it will open up the iCloud for you. Shortcut I've been asked for to show, it's opening up AirDrop, which is one of the most usable apps in the Mac operating system with a shortcut. So it will be with pressing and holding Shift, Command and R down, and it will open up the AirDrop window for you. For dock, we do have the full control from System Preferences up here, but if you quickly want to hide your dock, simply you can press and hold Option, Command and D, and it will making your dock hidden. For the next one, I'm just going to jump to one of the folders and show you how you can increase and decrease the size of the folders in the Finder. So simply you can hold down Shift, Command, plus or minus. So if I press plus, so it will obviously making it bigger, and minus, it will making it smaller. A great feature in the Mac, if you are a Spotlight user, which I am, so you can simply press Command and a space, and it will opening up the same Spotlight search for you, like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to subscribe and be safe.